sketch and you have to draw a symmetric profile of tire. So you have to select a circle and draw a circle. Give the dimensions based upon your requirement. To achieve the fulfilled shape of the tire, we have to draw a line profiles. After making a lines, we have to mirror it. So we have to draw a center line, which is must necessary for mirror command. Select the entities to be mirrored and select mirror command and select our center axis. Now our profile is mirrored. Then you have to delete the unwanted line segments. Now our profile is completely closed. Then you have to draw a horizontal center axis, which is must necessary for revolve feature. Click OK and then just edit the sketch. We have to specify the distance between the horizontal axis and our profile. Then go to the revolve option. Now our tire profile is created. Then click OK. Just hide the unwanted planes for a good look. Then you have to select a plane at a middle. Then sketch. Draw a profile of thread. After making a profile, just click OK. Now you have to just project the profile on outer surface of tire. Then you have to hide the unwanted planes. Now our profile is completely projected on outer surface. So select a swipe option, select our path. Just click the edit swipe section. You have to draw a profile on the path. After making a profile, just click OK. Now we have to select a remove material. Just click OK. Again you have to hide the unwanted sketches. Now we are going to pattern the thread. So you have to select the axis defined pattern. Click our center axis and enter the number of instances to be produced and give the angular spacing between them. Just click OK. Now our tire profile is created. Just go to the views and select the appearances to give the color based upon your requirement. It shows the aesthetic look of tire. To get the regular updates of my video, please subscribe in my channel. Like, share and subscribe. Inshallah, we will meet in next video. Thank you for watching.